Um, siguro siguro ang gusto kong i-impart sa lahat ano, kasi we're reaching our 1 hour mark. I would like to know, Kuya Nerve,
Okey.
what is your advice sa tao, sabihin na natin yung mga tao na hindi naman inclined politically, hindi nanonood ng political blog or hindi sila inclined sa mga updates about sa politics. How can you or what is your advice for them about this issue, especially fake news and disinformation about West Philippine Sea?
Okey, gagawin ko yung aking perspektibo bilang, teacher by profession at bilang, social studies major. Ngayon dito sa napapanahong, issue, marami na yung kumakalat na mga disinformation and other term, fake news. Sa mga tao na mga hindi politically inclined, except, napapangalanan yung dalawang channel na may ining nga yun sa China. I will recommend, 'yan, Play, GMA News, News 5, and ano yung mga brand ng mga diaryo na
Philcast,
Inquirer, Philippine Star, Manila Bulletin, puwede yan.
hindi, sabi yeah, sabi ko pati channel natin.
Yeah, puwede, yeah. Yeah, Pinas, I will recommend that. Tsaka, kung kayo'y tingin naman sa mga vlogger, 'yan, I will recommend Ilyas. And also, I will encourage you na din na, mag-compare and contrast.
Correct.
Ito ay matibay na ebidensya na napapatunay na atin ang West Philippine Sea. Yun lamang po,
Yun, again, before we end this show, I just wanna remind everybody before anything else, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, Facebook, so Spotify at TikTok. Hanapin niyo lang po yung Philcast, dun niyo po kami mafa-follow. And also po, if you have any questions, even after this podcast, you can put your comments down below on this video, and then I'll try to send it to Kuya Nerd, and we'll try to answer those messages. I think my takeaway from this ito pinag-uusapan natin. This is a battle of, I would say, information, the good
mhm.
and the bad information.